Devin's gonna drive the car real quick, get a preview. I wanted him to turn off the lights to show the white. What's going on, guys? It's Toby here, and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today we're going to be installing the 6th gen Camaro C8 style taillights for the 2019 plus models. So this is going to look super good. Now the cool thing about these is that they fit on any 6th gen that's over the year 2019, actually including 2019, so that would be 2019 plus like I previously said. So you could have the V6, you could also have the LT1, you could have the SS, the 2SS, Z01 1LE, and they all fit. So this is what they look like. They're from Addicts USA. If you guys want a discount on them, make sure to use code Toby. But I'm gonna head over to Devin's house and we're gonna install it. So we do have to remove the rear bumper. It's gonna be a whole process, but it's gonna look really, really good. All right, so one more thing. I wanted to pick up the taillights before we put them on the car so y'all can get a preview. Let me pick up the other one as well. So we have this one right here. I don't know which one's left or right. We have to figure that out, but this is gonna look crazy. So I'm gonna go head over there. I know it's getting repetitive at this point, but let's go pop to the car. Last time with that stock look, then we'll throw the taillights in the back and get on the way. But yeah, the red taillights are just not it with the blue. Doesn't look very good. Maybe if they were like the whiteout version that comes from the factory. I also need to get those reflectors down there in white. I'm sure they sell it for the diffuser. And then I'm gonna get an aftermarket third brake light, which would be really sick. So we got to look into all of that, but Sully's looking super clean. I mean, they washed the car and I drove up to Gainesville and it got super dirty. But I also wanted to ask you all if I should keep that hood black like I did before, like wrap it satin black, or just keep it blue how it is right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. One thing that's super nice about having an automatic, wait for it. Yeah, there we go. Don't have that with Sally. I would be capping if I say I did, you know? And of course, we have the whole mechanic shop back here. Jack, all these miscellaneous parts. Need to clean that up real bad. But I'm gonna grab this right now and throw it in the trunk, and I'm outie. Really a mechanic shop. You see those long tube headers right there? We also have to do the install for that. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. And the blower also came in the mail. So I'm gonna do an unboxing later on for a separate video. That's gonna be crazy. We have that LT4 supercharger, and I have a drag pack in the back. Once again, you can probably see the headers if I go like that. Yep, those are the long tubes. So let's get those taillights in the back. Honest, the car is a little bit too quiet for my liking right now. You know, I'm used to Sally with the header dumps, and this thing will get woken up when we do the blower because you're just like pushing more air and you're also putting on those long tube headers. I think I'm gonna make around 550 wheel horsepower, which is pretty good on the big pulley. And if I want to pulley down, I can. You know, you can run 8 pounds of boost safely on an LT1 without blowing stuff up, but your problems start coming when you run over about 8 PSI. Like, that's the issue. These stock rods and pistons start to break. You get lifter failure, all these other problems, but I'm probably gonna build a motor on this one too. We're gonna do drop-in rods and pistons, lifters, a new cam, a boost cam, so it'll chop while being boosted. That's gonna be super sick. I need to make this turn right here. But yeah, I'm super excited. We're starting with the small stuff. Obviously, that's what I always do with these builds. And then we'll get into it. I'm probably gonna install the blower in early November because I just need to save up a little bit for the tune and all that. It adds up, guys. Like, and I gotta go back home for the tune as well because I'm going to Calvo, and he's located in Miami. His name's Andres Calvo. You don't see that every day. That's a Monte Carlo, I'm pretty sure, with NASCAR stickers on it to make it look like a NASCAR. So that's pretty awesome. I'll zoom in on it so you can see it some more, but that's the furthest I can get. Devin had to flex on us real quick.
Oh.
With the M4.
It's a car show, so, or car meet, so, you know.
Nah.
He's got his car.
You're gonna help me with this install with the lights. That's what you're gonna do. Yeah. And now he's out. Look. Yeah. This guy's a clown, man. All right, so we're gonna remove the bumper. What do we gotta take out, the fender liner first or what? So we watched a tutorial on YouTube, and I guess this is gonna be somewhat of a tutorial too, but you gotta pull out these pop clips. Do you have a trim remover tool or no? Flathead? Yeah, we'll use a flathead. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. You have your OEM headlights right here. You're gonna push out these pop clips first. That's what I saw in the YouTube tutorial. This guy with an orange SS, he has a pretty cool car. Yeah, and then I think from there you have to remove the rear bumper. So that's gonna be a process. Devin's gonna be taking care of that. He's not, obviously, we're joking. Probably just put it in the box, honestly. Yeah, we'll put all the stuff in there, and then Yeah, that should just pop off, honestly.
I'll try it. I don't know if that's anything. I don't know if
Is this a pop clip too?
might be.
There's your answer. That rips off.
Yeah, 'cause these have to come
Bro, imagine they just made it easy and that's all you have to do. Taillights from Chevy. Crap. Can't be losing these. So yeah, it's super simple. You can take a flathead or a trim remover tool. We're using some jank thing that Evan has. And then once that's all done, you can just rip that off.
Literally rip it off.
And then now we gotta take out the bumper, right?
Yeah. No, we could do the top.
Oh, the top bolts?
We have to do those apparently.
This?
He did that in the video for third brake light.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You do have to wire the third brake light.
No, I don't think
No,
so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
So we just removed this right here to access the third brake light. I'm gonna put aftermarket one though. I should buy an aftermarket one because they have like sequential ones. They're really cool. And we're good now, right?
Yep.
Evan works on taking out the trunk liner because you also have to do that to access some bolts. I'm gonna be taking out the bolts that are here to take off the rear bumpers. So there are 3 of them, and no, you don't have to take off your rear tire. You're able to fit a T15 on there with a small ratchet with a socket, and basically you just get them all out. If I can show you all with the camera in my hand, it's kind of hard. But yeah, that's where it goes. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. And that's pretty much what you have to do. Like one of the most terrible parts about this whole thing is getting out these torque spits out of the bumper. Like you barely have any room with the tire. And that's what they look like, and there's 3 of them. I still have 1 more to go, and it's just a pain in the butt. Like it just keeps slipping. I don't know why Chevy did this, but we're almost there. 1 more on the bottom. That should be good. It doesn't help that it's caked in rubber too from Devin doing all these burnouts while I let him drive the car.
Hasn't let me drive it once.
Put all 3 bolts out for this right here, and then Evan's working on the bottom. How many did you say are on the bottom?
4. I think it's good now. Yeah, it's good now.
On the diffuser,
One.
right?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. You want me to show them?
Yeah. Here. Just so they know for tutorial processes.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
That's not too bad. Alright, so we're going to keep going, and the bumper pops off after that, right?
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
2 in the middle.
Oh yeah, 2 in the middle.
Then we're good.
He was saying something about being careful with this,
Yeah.
because it's like bondoed.
Yeah, I don't know.
Evan is gonna finish off this back bumper while Toby is over there doing his side.
Yeah, thanks, Devin. Very helpful, bro. But yeah, there's those bolts that are holding the diffuser down that I'm taking care of right now. Then Evan's gonna get the other side. There's a T15 that bolts the diffuser to the actual bumper, and we'll show that Evan's got it. So Devin will go over there and show it.
Right down here. Bottom right corner.
Probably should see it.
Covered in asphalt.
Yeah.
And rubber.
Yep.
We got all these bolts out. Here's the bolt count. Like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 on each side with the diffuser, and then there's 2 more underneath in the middle, right?
Yeah.
So, dang, bro, that thing is long. Taking off this last bolt here connects the rear bumper to the quarter panel, and it is just a pain, man. A really weird angle, but the bolt dropped out. And now that we've done this, that should just pull apart.
Yeah, it should.
So I popped this rear bumper off, real sketchy. I'll show the other side when we do it. You gotta lift when you pull it, and it should pop out. And then there's like a wiring harness in the inside too that you have to pull. Oh. Oops. I just ripped something, trying to rip it out. All right. I don't know, man. That harness doesn't want to come out, and I popped it out. You get it? Nope. That clip's really stubborn.
Bro.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
And I unclipped it too with the red part. I don't know what's up with that. And you see the one that's like hanging now? That's whatever I ripped out.
This one?
No, the one on the bottom. There's like another
This
stray
one?
one. Yeah, there's like another stray one that I just ripped. It's like the sketchiest part.
There it goes.
Yeah. Sketchy, but it pops. There. Just lift on the bottom. Just come up. There you go. There you go, right?
The middle.
Yeah, there is no need to. Just rest it on the plastic on the bottom.
If you put something on your side, my side's
Bumper
already resting.
delete.
It's already resting?
My side's resting. If you put something on your side, that
It is.
it is.
Yeah, it's on plastic.
Honestly, just leave it
Yeah,
off.
we're good. It's getting about the last of the bolts on the back side, and then these should just pop out. We have to look at the user manual though, because we got all these extra wires here. And if there's one thing that scares me that's not Devin, it's wires. He's like, I'm done with these kids.
Go.
Last bolt to get off the taillight. There's 1, 2. Evan took care of the ones in the trunk. So this should pop right out. Until it doesn't. Is there still one
That's
holding
this
it?
4.
How to break your car 101.
Is there 4?
You got this one, right?
I got one back there.
Oh,
Is there 4?
bro. When in doubt, shimmy it out.
No.
Yes.
Trying to pull the harness right now on this taillight, and this guy's playing copyrighted music in the background. Nah. So, I don't know how GM does it with these clips, man. This is like the hardest thing ever, but I mean, I assume that you pop it out like that, and then, oh crap. Why would it not come out? Bro, this is like the sketchiest part. We got all the clips on this, right, Evan?
I got my zero fast, but yes.
Oh, frick.
Does not want to come out.
Oh.
There you go. Let's have these taillights in, then we have to run a couple of wires to third brake light and figure that out, but yeah, it's looking really nice. I mean, that's a major upgrade. I wish we left one side off, or we could just stick it like up to it just for a preview. Is that sliding in?
Yeah, that's gone.
Plug the resistor in so it doesn't hyper flash or anything, and we're gonna test it out. And then this is,
Sorry, brake light.
yeah, with that stuff. So we gotta figure that out. You on the brakes?
Well, are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, what was that?
I want the turn signal.
That was a turn signal?
It's doing it again?
It's doing it.
You know why? You know why? Because it needs that third brake light plugged
really?
in. For the third brake light, there's actually a slot in here. You need to take a flathead just like this, push it in like that, and this clip will come out. So that could be tricky if you guys don't use the flathead. I don't think it's possible actually to do it without the flathead. We ran everything. We had to unplug this. Could you shine a light, Evan?
Yep.
So we actually didn't need to unplug that harness. It's inside for the third brake like on top. So you're gonna have to lean in there on your back. Real big pain in the butt, but you can use a flathead to slide into the slot, right? So once you get this out, you connect it right here. This goes back into the hole inside. We'll try and show that on camera if I can fit the camera in there. And then you have to wire it to the taillight. So this green connection right here with the red wire goes to the taillight. And then you have one on the other side as well once we get that set up. But as you can see, it's split right there. So you have like a Y split. Now I'm gonna plug this back in and maybe show it on camera. So I see how that goes in. Oh, that would have been much easier if we pushed it out on the other side. That was our mistake.
Yeah, I can't show
But it
this.
just plugged in.
Can't show it.
Really? Doesn't show?
No.
It says, but those red wires is exactly what you plug in. And then we can test it out now and see if it works. Yeah, I plugged it in. Yeah, it's plugged in. Hit the brake. Untoast my bumper, bro. Is that the brake? Yeah, it works now. You see?
Yeah, it works.
The red light?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Turn signal?
Turn
All
signal?
the hazards are on.
Okay, yeah, everything works.
Look at the mosquitoes.
Yeah, spray those, bro.
That mosquito. I put it on fine mist so it really catches like a cloud of them.
Oh my god, we're almost done though, but we're getting assaulted by mosquitoes right now.
It's like 44 outside and it's
And then
like
somehow they're still alive.
still alive.
They mutated, bro.
Florida.
The assault on us with the mosquitoes is too much, so we're just gonna hurry this up here, and Evan's gonna pop this back in. Yeah?
Yep.
This is bullshit. We're getting the last of the bolts in for the fender liner, and we should be done. God, this took like 2 hours? 2 hours? 2 hours-ish, and we're still not done. Well, we're almost done, pretty much. This is the hardest part, though, honestly. And the clip with the trunk. Yeah, we know you got issues, Devin. This is bull. Alright, you know it's funny, Devin. You know it's funny.
It was funny like the 40th time ago. And now we're on like level 100. But it's okay. I'm laughing on the inside.
No, you can hit it with the back end of a ratchet and it'll go in. But we did the cable management, tucked the red wires underneath, and put everything back in. So the car is officially pretty much ready to go. Gotta go to a gas station to get the lighting and show what it looks like. Alright, Mr. Devin. Those are sequentials. I think I don't know if there are different modes like the Euros, but that looks really sick already. I mean, that's way nicer than the factory light setup. That's crazy. Lock it one more time. Unlock. So they flash yellow first, I suppose. Like I said, we had to pull up to the gas station for the reveal with the M4. Uh-oh. So, walk around. Obviously, this is the front. Let's move to the back. Looks really, really good, actually. So check this out. Oh my god. Lock it real quick, Devin. Yeah, that looks sick. Then if we get like this angle, you know, with the 1LE wing, lock it again. Yeah, that looks crazy. Just gonna do like a full walk around and then probably show the turn signals and have Devin record me just like drive by real quick. So that's what it looks like at night when you're driving. Very, very aggressive. Those are hazards. Devin? Yes. Turn signal. That is sick. See that right there? That's brakes, and that's reverse. That's really dope. Oh, yes, sir. Wait till the blower is on this car. I need to get an aftermarket third brake light, though. Devin's gonna drive the car real quick, get a preview. I wanted him to turn off the lights to show the white. I did not know that those lights change color too. I don't know, man. Might be too much power for you.
A little bit.
Doesn't your M4 make the same power?
Same power.
But lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks nuts. Alright, flick off the lights one more time so we can see. Look like they're white. Get off the brake. Yeah, that's the look that I'm going for. That looks tough, especially during the day. Wish they could stay white all the time. So that's pretty much going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, Devin, outro.
Hey, comment, like, and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one.